Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Toyota Auris. Now of course you get your LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, front parking sensors. You then also get these freshly refurbished 17-inch alloys as well. Now of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Coming around to the rear now, you've also got your rear parking sensors and a reversing camera at the top there. Then coming inside the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Coming back out to the round again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have part cloth, part leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric automatic windows all around, keyless entry and start, and then we also have your automatic gearbox in the middle. Got your two front heated seats, climate control settings in the front. Then we also have your touchscreen display. This comes with your satellite navigation. We've then also got your various media sources just here, and then we also have your Bluetooth hands-free. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your Bluetooth hands-free settings, voice assistant and volume. We've then on the right hand side got your onboard computer controls with your lane keep assist. Your cruise control is just here. You also have automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has done 57,108 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Toyota Auris, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.